Hello and welcome to Kimi's Corner, a platform that is all about creative journaling for mental health. Now, the first question that I always get about journaling is, how do I journal every day? Because every day is a routine thing, not new things are happening every day, and I can't keep writing about the same thing over and over again. Even if I'm putting it into art, I can't put into art the same things over and over again. So the thing is, this is where the whole self-reflection and using journaling prompts comes into play. So what happens is, now just imagine if you have nothing else to think about. I mean, everything is just going as it is, especially the routine. You're probably going to stress over all the things that are not going right, all the people who are disappointing you, all the things that might be bothering you, because as humans we are naturally inclined to look at the negative side. However, if you have some prompt in mind, if you have something else to think about, something which is more productive, you're automatically going to channelize your thoughts into a little better direction. So for example, when I share the prompt for today, we'll write on it for 1 minute together and thereafter just see whether you can think about it even more. I'll aid you in that also, but let me share the prompt first, which is, what is one thing about your past self that you loved a lot and how can you bring it back? Okay, let's get started. The time starts now. Now for me, I personally can write for maybe another 10 minutes or so, because right now I just, whatever the quality was, I just realized when was it that I actually lost it, when was it that I actually became some other person, and why did I like it so much, what was I doing during that time. Now do you see that just one question and you can keep asking yourself multiple questions after that one point itself. And right now, I don't know about you, but I could only just figure out on reflecting what was it that I really liked about my past self that I can bring back. And now when it comes to making an action plan, it's going to take me another few minutes, 15 minutes, 20 minutes, that depends. Also, please understand one thing, that you cannot really complete one reflection prompt in just one sitting. I can't really sit for another 20 minutes and keep thinking and be very clear right after I get up. There are certain reflection prompts, certain writing prompts that I take up, which take me a week to actually gain as much clarity as you can. So for example, if you have taken this prompt today, sit on it tomorrow also, sit on it day after, sit on it every day for a week if you feel like, and then probably you might have some kind of place where you feel like, okay, this is an action plan I can take forward with. So for example, suppose you say that I was someone who would do art every day and I really love that about me. Now make sure, how do you do art every day? Maybe as a kid or maybe the past self, you used to make art for 1 hour every day. Think of how can you do it for at least 5 minutes every day. I mean, even that would be a good start, and maybe eventually if you want to expand the time, if you have that kind of time in hand, give it across, right? Just see how it works for you, and we'll meet in the next episode with another prompt to keep your mind occupied. See you then. Bye-bye.